Have you heard of Happy Forex, Jeffrey Benson, Happiness, and many other successful traders in Africa or around the world? And you want to be like these ones, you want to make money like them so they can start counting dollars like these people, like that, like that. What are those things that these people are doing that you are not doing? That's what we're going to discuss in this particular video. In this video, we're going to discuss 5 traits that separate gamblers from professional traders. These are the 5 things that traders are doing in the market, and these things make them money. So if you know you want to learn this, watch this video to the end. The 5th one will definitely surprise you. The 5th one might be the most one that you're struggling from. So make sure you watch this video to the end. And if you don't want other people to see this video and also learn the same way you're learning, please consider like. Or if you know I'm also giving value, please like. Yes. If you know you want to learn from this channel, because I've actually dedicated this channel to teach you everything about Forex. Everything about Forex for free on this channel. Everything I'm going to teach you on this channel. How you can become a profitable Forex trader. I'm going to teach you all of those things on this channel. So consider smashing the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. So anytime I come around a way like this, you'll be among the few people who are going to get this. This is the Eminent mentor, the #1 mentor in Africa. Let's dive in to see what are those things that these traders are doing that we are not doing. Anyway, do not expect these things to be a rocket science. Men, do not expect Elon Musk to bring it from the Mars. They are things you know already, but most time you violate it. #1 is patience. You see, patience is the key factor that makes us to spotlight the right entry point. Although, from my experience, as a result of patience, sometimes you might miss some trade. But it is better for you to miss a trade than for you to be wrong in a trade. Let me say it again. It is better for you to miss a trade than to be wrong because you may taking a random move. Because the market was just testing you and you jump into the market and fall as a prey. It is better you miss that trade. So #1 thing, the key #1 trait of most successful traders is patience. So if you don't have patience, I would advise you go buy one. You don't get to patient for yourself. Get patient. Now you need to always be patient. Now when you get to the market, check that the market setup is right. If the setup is not right, then leave. This is #1 thing. #1 thing that keep most traders profitable. #1 thing that is going to make you to become a profitable Forex trader is patience. So learn to exhibit patience. Learn to do your back testing. Check it very well. When you're testing the market, when the market is wait for the confirmation. Let me let you understand one thing. That your take profit is someone's stop loss. Every time you make money, someone else lost money. I want you to understand this game from that way. So every time you hit stop loss, someone else is making money. Yes. Every day. Every time you hit stop loss, someone has made money as a result of that. So with that in mind, you should be smart enough that you do not let all the time you are being trapped to be hitting stop loss. Yes, you are being trapped. You should be patient while the market is playing its liquidity. You should be patient to see all the other everything in the market. You should use patience to examine it. It is better you have few quality trades a day than for you to rush into the market randomly and take any setup that just come your way and you run losses. That's #1. #2 is emotional stability. Emotional stability. See, you see, most traders panic whenever they run losses. They panic. You need to understand that trading is a game of probability. Yes. You need to accept that part that trading is a game of probability. You can either win or you can either lose. There's no rocket science. If you don't get to this point, you will never become a profitable Forex trader. Yes. It's like Nigeria and Ghana are playing match. Both Nigeria and Ghana knows that one has to win. Although we might have draw, but they don't even expect draw. They expect that one has to win. It is either who win or they win. They know that. So at the end of the 90 minutes or the half hour or extra minute time they're going to give them, do you understand one thing, that one person has to win and the other has to go home? So what if today the market won? You have to go. Don't panic. Don't panic. That is why we ask you, do not risk more than what you can bear. Don't panic. And do not also be because you have win. You see, there's that thing that newbie traders does that. When they win, they go out to their girlfriend, to everyone, and start shouting that they have made money. You don't know me. I'm a trader. I am trading Forex. You see how much I'm making? Look at No. You don't have to do that. You see, professionals knows how to celebrate, but they avoid celebrating too early. They avoid celebrating too early. Do you know why? Because trading is a game of probability. Today you can make $10,000. Tomorrow you can lose $12,000. I mean, exactly what you made yesterday, you can run loss today. So imagine now that, okay, because you have made $1,000 today, or $2,000, $5,000 today, and you go to your girlfriend and tell your girlfriend, look, now you see how much I make, and I'm making like this today. And your girlfriend say, thank God, though. You go and tell your mother, thank God, though. Now start billing you. Listen to what I'm just saying. They start billing you. You now run to go to somewhere. They buy me, collect this. My husband is doing this. My boyfriend is rich. And this and that. They start causing trouble. No. You need to have what is known as emotional stability. Learn to grow. Any money you're making in Forex today is not a money. Do you know why? Because you will need that same money to grow your account. That's it. You need more capital to even make more money in the Forex market. So avoid, maybe because you have made profit today, you just start celebrating. I'm not saying don't be happy. Yes, withdraw the money and eat, but avoid drawing undue attention to yourself. At this point, I want to say something very important. As you're coming in as a new trader, it will be very wrong for you to go and start telling people you're trading. Do you know why? They'll misunderstand you. Honestly speaking, they'll think you're just going on the internet scamming people. Because, sincerely speaking, there are a lot of people that have little or no knowledge about Forex. And as a result of that, they choose what to believe. I don't have time to explain anything to them. It is their mind, so they can believe. Now, because of that, whenever they hear that you're doing Forex, they might think that, you're the one who scammed the other person who lost money. That is what comes into their mind. And people are just scamming people's money, stealing people's money. That's the mentality. So now that you have not yet made big money, it is better you calm down. When you buy your Rolls Royce, when you buy your Lamborghini, let that one speak. And by the time you get to that point that you are doing well, I'm not talking about faking, I'm talking about you're doing well, because sincerely speaking, in this industry, there are a lot of people that are faking it. When you get to that point that you're doing well, and they say you're doing Yahoo, you're not doing Forex, let them talk. Let them talk. Yes. So people like Jeffrey Benson, if you listen to his story, he will tell you that there were times that people used to say he's not doing Forex, he's doing Yahoo. At a point, they got tired. If it is easy, go and fall and do it. That's just nothing but the truth. The third one is consistency. When it comes to trading, consistency is the game. Trading is one funny game that you can do everything right and still you get it wrong. Did you get that message? You can do everything right and still you get it wrong. Or at the same time, you can do everything wrong and you get it right. But this is my point. To become a profitable Forex trader, you need to show up every day. Every blessed day, you have to show up. The same rules, the same strategies, the same entry, the same rules will be the same rules enter the market. Yes. The same discipline enter the market. Now, do not be a person that, because you used these rules yesterday and it did not work for you, today you change the rules. You need to master a rules that is good, that you know you're good, and show up every day. Every day. Will you have losing trade? Yes, you will. But you need to show up again tomorrow. That's one thing I observe as far as I'm concerned, as this is my experience. That showing up every day make you to win. Because you don't know the day you're going to win or the day you're not going to win. Yes. So all the profitable Forex traders you're seeing, these are people who shows up every day. Oh yeah, listen to Jeffrey.
Like some traders in their first few years usually wonder, why is it very hard for one to break through in trading? I also had that same thinking. But the thing was, I never ever had the thought of ever giving up in trading. I waited earnestly. Whilst I was waiting, I was working. I was patient, and I was strongly believing that definitely someday I'll get the right strategy, the right risk management, and the right psychology. But I've always known from day one that I was not in the business of a get-rich-quick scheme. Even if it had taken me about 10 years to get this same thing, I definitely would be waiting. That was a decision that actually changed the scheme of things for me.
From that glimpse, he said that he knew that trading is going to make him what he wants. So what he has to do is to show up every day. And even if it would have taken him the next 10 years to become who he wanted to be, he would have still showed up. The secret here is consistency. And in order for you to show up consistently, you need to have capital. I understand that. So you might run loss. So since you run loss, and as a result of that, you run out of capital. No, you shouldn't lose more than what you'll be able to show up tomorrow. You're not trusting anybody, and no one is trusting you. So since no one is trusting you, why would you go and blow your account? Learn to trade. Even if you're making $1, $2, manage that one and keep showing up every day. I used to tell you, never you become a full-time Forex trader, have other things that you're doing that is also backing you up. So it will always enable you to show up consistently. If you're ever going to become a profitable Forex trader, then consistency is the backbone. All the profitable Forex trader you're seeing today, starting from Happy Forex, Jeffrey Benson, whoever you want to mention, just mention them. Go and meet them. They are going to tell you there are moments that, they just have to shut down. There are moments that the market will test you, because the market will test you whether you like it or you don't like it. The market will test you, it will squeeze you, it will try to make you feel that, oh, this thing is not going to work for you. It is now left for you to decide either you're going to do it or not. But if you know you want to do it, decide to show up every day the same way you've been showing up. By this showing up every day, you're going to become a profitable Forex trader. And this is going to take you to number 4 thing. The 4th thing that this guy does. And what is that? They develop confidence on their setup. Yes, they develop confidence on their setup. You see, new traders are always arrogant. Why? They enter this particular trade, and when they enter this setup, the setup did not work out for them. They got angry, close the trade, get angry, blame the market. Profitable Forex traders do not do that. They believe in their trade. They believe in their tested system. Since they believe in their tested system, they develop confidence in it. We enter this setup, we enter this trade. This was the strategy we used, and we hit SL. We lost money. Why? Let me let you understand this truth, that all the strategies work. You're using the smart money concept, it works, it's good. You're using support and resistance, it's good. Whatever strategy you're using is good if only you develop confidence on it, you master it, you understand it so well. Yes, you understand it so well, the same way Tony understands the law, the same way the doctor understands medicine. You take time and study your strategy, understand it like that. Tell me the truth. If an attorney should learn Forex, should learn the law the same way you learn Forex, by just trying it and it did not work, he shut down, do you think he will ever win a case? Yes, I want you to think of it that way. So if you ever want to become a profitable Forex trader, that you start winning cases when it comes to the Forex, when it comes to the market, then you need to develop confidence on your strategy so well that even if they tap you from sleep, you know a working strategy that you're using that you always use. And with that in mind, takes us to number 5. Remember, I promised you that the fifth thing that these guys are doing is going to blow your mind. And this is one of the things that make profitable Forex trader to stand out. What is that thing? They learn to detach their mind. What's what I'm going to do? They learn to detach their mind from the trade. Do they love trading? Yes, they love trading, but they don't love a singular trade. If there's no specific trade that they say this is the trade that they love, they avoid to predetermine the outcome of the next trade. Like I used to tell my students, our work is not to we are just here to react according to the market. We do not predict the market. So profitable Forex traders do not predict the market. No, we only react. If you're going to become a profitable Forex trader, then you need to learn how to react. Detach your emotion from the outcome. Whatever is going to happen in the outcome, let it be. Your work is just to bless the trade. Whatever is going to be, let it be. Because the moment you click that buy or that sell button, you can't control it. I mean, literally, you cannot control it. It's out of control. So learn to detach your emotion from the outcome. Profitable forex traders are detachable. They are able to detach their emotion from the outcome. They love trading and they also want to win. But at the same time, they learn to detach their emotion from it. They understand that trading is a game of probability. You can either win or you can either lose. If you don't get to this point of accepting that trading is a game of probability, you will always lose. Yes, because once you understand that this is a game of probability, you either win or you either lose, it's going to make you to cut down your risk to the level that if you lose it, it will not disturb you. These are the 5 characteristics of winning or profitable forex trader. By the time you're able to do these things, you become one of the highly successful traders in the world. Because as I'm talking to you, the new set of billionaires in the forex market are going to emerge. Yes, this year, next year, more traders are going to emerge. These are going to be people who spend time and learn these 5 trades I'm sharing with you. These 5 trades, if you learn it very well, you become a profitable forex trader. Highly effective, highly successful traders. Number 1 is patience. Number 2 is becoming emotionally stable. Number 3 is becoming consistent. Then number 4 is confidence. And number 5 is detaching the emotion from the outcome. Trust you've learned something from this video. If you do, please kindly subscribe. Turn on the notification bell. Like, drop your comment. Tell us what you want to learn. Yes, I do want to watch this video because in this next video, I'm going to share with you things you need to do daily to build a winning mindset. If you know that you want to develop a winning mindset, this is going to be the mindset that you're going to be using. And if you use this mindset, you're going to start winning trade on a daily basis. You want to get to that place, you want to build that mindset, then watch this next video. Because in this video, I'm going to explain to you things you need to do to develop a winning mindset. See you in the next video.